how to fix Windows 11 not fitting on screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how to fit your Windows 11 on the screen. For that you'll need to go to the search bar on your taskbar and then search for system and then uh search for system and then go ahead and open it. So once you open it, go to system on the left hand side and you'll find display option, tap on display and then scroll down and under scale and layout you'll find display resolution, tap on the drop down and here if it is set to anything else other than recommended, then what you need to do is you'll need to go to the drop down and then set to the recommended scale size. So tap on it and then go to recommended scale size and it will definitely fit to your screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.